Ever stared at your phone, dreaming of a bank that understands your millennial vibe? Neon Bank, with its sleek app and promise of financial freedom, might be your answer. But before you dive into the world of neon hues and digital banking, let's tackle a crucial question. What documents do you actually need to open an account? Let's break it down. Imagine this: you've just finished binge-watching your favorite show, and the idea of managing your finances without the hassle of traditional banks starts sounding pretty appealing. You're ready to embrace the neon life. But hold your horses. Before you tap that download button, you need to gather some paperwork. Now, the exact documents can vary based on where you live. Neon Bank operates in specific regions, and each place has its own rules. But fear not, we'll cover the most common requirements. Think of us as your personal financial Sherpa, guiding you through the paperwork jungle. First up, we have the piece de resistance, proof of identity. This is basically your passport to the world of neon. Your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or national ID card, is usually your go-to. It's like showing your ticket to enter the exclusive Neon Club. Next, you'll need to prove you're actually you, and I don't mean by flexing your selfie skills. You'll need proof of address. A recent utility bill, bank statement, or even a government letter can do the trick. This is Neon's way of saying, hey, we want to make sure you're not a sneaky imposter. Okay, so you've proven who you are and where you live. Let's talk about money. Or, more precisely, proof of income. Neon wants to make sure you can handle your finances like a boss. So, you might need to show payslips, tax returns, or other income verification documents. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as your financial resume. Now, this part might surprise you. Depending on the country and the amount you want to deposit, Neon might ask for additional documents. This could be anything from a selfie holding your ID to a video call verification. It's like a mini security check to keep your money safe. While we're on the topic of security, let's talk about biometrics. Neon is all about speed and convenience, so you might be asked to set up fingerprint or facial recognition login. It's like adding an extra layer of protection to your digital wallet. So, to recap, you will generally need proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of income. But remember, this is just a general guideline. Always check Neon's official website or app for the specific requirements in your country. Now, let's talk about the process. Once you've gathered your documents, you'll typically upload them to the Neon app. It's like submitting your application for the coolest financial club ever. The verification process can take a few days, so don't get impatient. Good things come to those who wait, right? Once your account is verified, it's time to dive into the Neon world. From easy transfers to budgeting tools, Neon has a lot to offer. But remember, with great financial power comes great responsibility. Use your Neon card wisely and avoid overspending. To sum it up, opening a Neon bank account requires some paperwork, but it's usually pretty straightforward. Just gather your ID, proof of address, and income verification, and you're well on your way to experiencing the future of banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.